Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok services not available in your country. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that your TikTok is showing a pop-up error which is TikTok services are not available in your country. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then you have to go to settings and here go to general and go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just have to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back and open your app store, go for search and search for TikTok. And you just have to make sure that you have any pending updates for your TikTok app. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating, if there will be any app issue, it will be fixed in this step. Or you can also try to offload your app. So go to settings here, go to general, go to iPhone storage here, just look for TikTok app, and you can try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete your app. So in case of offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug with your TikTok app, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issues, you have to go to your browser and just simply search for down detector. So you just have to search for down detector and you'll get a website. So just allow to use your location. Then select the first website from here. And here just tap on the profile option or the search option in the top right. And search, you have to search for TikTok. And here you'll get if your TikTok is down in your country or region or if it's working well. So if you see that your TikTok is still down, so you just have to try to wait for almost 1 hour, 2 hour. Sometimes it might take 24 hours to recover. So after recovering your TikTok, you can use without any issue. Or you can also try to open your TikTok app, then tap on the profile option in the bottom right, then tap on settings or three horizontal lines in the top right, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down and look for the help center option here. And here further scroll down and look for see more, then tap on login. Or you can also select this chat with us option to directly chat with TikTok support team. Now from here you can get more efficient or official help from your TikTok support team. Or you can also try to use a VPN to access TikTok because sometimes it might be that your TikTok is temporarily banned in your country. So you can use a virtual proxy network or a VPN to connect or to use different countries with IP. So let's say I'm gonna open my VPN here. I've already installed this in my phone. So just open your VPN, try to connect with your VPN, and after connecting, you can easily use your TikTok without an issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.